Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. So MATIC did turn around in our support area, extremely happy about it. And let's take a look at the options which are still possible and likely how it could turn out. That should help you with your risk management and further considerations. So we talked about the possibility this could be a WXY scenario. The X wave is now coming a little too high, pushing against the ceiling. If it goes above 121, as I said yesterday, I won't really entertain the idea of a WXY. This Y wave could still send us deeper into support. If we break higher than that, we could still have a higher B wave. Now, I don't consider that too much because the higher B wave is very rare in a wave 2, and we already reached minimum required targets on the way down. I would really only entertain the higher B wave with a lot of probability had the A wave ended somewhere here and not entered our target. But as I said a few days ago, when it topped, it probably will enter this area, which it did, and it will turn around in this area, which it did. Again, it's all probabilities and likelihoods and never certainties, but so far these probabilities are on our side. They were in this large support area, and then anybody who asked me, are there still entries? I gave you another one. And anybody who still didn't use it, I don't know. You need to use these entries if you want to get in. I mean, I'm not telling you to do it because I can't give you financial advice. I can really only give you trend reversal areas, where in my opinion, long trades generally can be taken with a favorable reward to risk ratio. That's a fairly objective measure because you get your targets based on measuring with the Elliott waves. You get your risk where you can set your stop loss. But I can't pull the trigger for you, And in the end, it can still come down. That needs to be considered in terms of risk management. So if you entered here, I mean, what I always like to do is to move up the stop loss. And otherwise just let it run. And maybe take some partial profits in resistance. But then again, that depends all on you because some people just entered here for a scalp. I mean, we've now reached resistance. So it might be worth taking some high risk stuff off the table again after basically a 12% move within a couple of days. But again, that's up to you. So I would prefer to trade the third wave to the upside. I still have my altcoin positions open that I entered here in my bots running. So again, we haven't broken out to the upside. It's too early to talk about. We are already in the third wave, but you have to assume it to a degree because we came into the area in 3 waves. We found support. Bitcoin seems to be starting. Again, also not confirmed yet. Ethereum seems to be starting, not confirmed yet, but I would say 95% of coins, if not more, reached all their targets on the downside in this particular wave 2 correction and are now preparing for a third wave. If the bulls are strong enough, market will show. I think we have a good chance because I already mentioned it yesterday that there are some in the Bitcoin video that my view is that we might not see an interest rate increase anymore, at least not in the short term by the Fed. And that could lead to further upside. It's sort of more like positivity is coming back into the market, even if it's not a full bull run, but a bear market rally can always be extensive as well. So that's sort of the stuff I'm watching out for and that I'm observing. Looking currently at the possibility of a wave 3 breakout. Target, what would be the target for that third wave? So 156 roughly, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. But so far the trend reversal area worked out. By the way, how do these support areas come into being? Well, it's all based on, when you have a 5-wave move complete, you can measure your FIBs, and standard support for wave 2 is between $1 and $1.09, $1.10. On Tuesday, when we topped, I released a member-only update video. I updated all the charts in that video, gave all these targets and support areas. These targets were all reached, with the exception, I think, of Bitcoin, missed it by $50. And we've turned around in all these areas. So 20 plus profitable trades for anybody who took it. So I always recommend from a tactical point of view, at least that's what I like to do, is to scale into support. Scale in, not waiting for the lowest low. That's what the emotional people tend to do. They tend to all in, all out. That's not what I do. If that works for you, power to you. it doesn't work for me. I like to scale in, I like to scale out, not be emotional about things, you know, and just objectively trade the pivots. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.